Kinasal na ako. Pero ang tanong ng bayan, Kim Chu, nahanap mo na ba si Mr. Right?
Saan nga ba? Ikaw ba? Ay!
Present si Kim Chu sa Bingo Plus anniversary kung saan ay isa siya sa mga endorser nito. Makikita sa mga video na may special performance si Kim at siya din mismo ang nag-blow ng cake. Mukhang pa-birthday party nga lang ni Kimi. Nagkaroon kahapon ng event si Kim Chu sa naturang Bingo Plus anniversary, kung saan ay isa siya sa mga endorser. Nagkaroon din ng special performance si Kim, at syempre hindi naman mawawala ang kulitan at matanong ito tungkol sa kanyang personal na buhay, ang kanyang love life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey, hey!
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, ito na, Miss KKD and Miss Kim. Tradition po dito na mag-slice ng cake for luck. Can you guys do the honor?
Ay, si Kim Chu na yan bilang endorser of Bingo Plus. Is-nice mo na yan, sister!
Ano ba? Kahit ano lang. Okay.
Ano mong i-blow mo muna yung
nga, blow
candle?
muna.
Happy birthday! Bingo Mega!
Welcome po, Miss Kim Chu. It's our honor. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Miss Kim Chu.
Hello! Magandang gabi sa lahat ng ating mga ka-BP! And of course, happy birthday, Bingo Mega!
Yay! Grabe ah! In fairness, kumanta si Kim Chu ng live!
Live!
Kaminit, live yun!
That was so wild. Sana mahanap niyo rin ang mga Mr. Right ninyo.
Yes, nahanap nyo na ba katulad ni KKG?
Ako kasi nahanap ko na, kasi syempre kinasal na ako. Pero ang tanong ng bayan, Kim Chu, nahanap mo na ba si Mr. Right?
Saan nga ba? Ikaw ba?
Parang birthday mo, sis.
Kasi ko nga, may tribute, may blow ng cake, may slice, kinasal na rin ako. Ayan, go. Medyo ano siya, may effort na tinatawag.
Oo, ayan. Yay! Ayun naman po.
Kaya ba? Kaya. Ayan!
Ayun! O, diba? Wow! Yay!
Happy birthday! Bingo Mega!
Ang pa yan, ewan ko na talaga kung paano niya ginagawa.
Friend ba tayo?
Di ba, sis?
Mahusay.
Hindi kasi nakaka-inspire.
Yes, ibang masipag. Dapat sipagan lang natin ang sipagan kung gusto natin umasenso sa buhay.
Can I just say, Miss Kim, congratulations. Supposedly may 5-day ka na bazaar, pero naging one natin na super successful.
May mga live viewers tayo dyan.
Sino daw gusto niyo maging partner ni Kim sa susunod niyang movie? I-comment niyo po yan sa ating comment box. Ay, ba't parang iisang pangalan lang yung nabasa ko, sister?
Ang dami nilang comment,
Oo.
Oh, dami. Ano?
Diba? Agad-agad.
Ang bilis naman pala ng ating mga BP.
Una sa lahat, maraming salamat to Bingo Plus for choosing me to be your newest endorser and for making me part of your growing family. This is such an incredible moment and I'm very happy to be part of something as wonderful as the Bingo Plus family. Maraming salamat. And of course, my first impression of Bingo Plus was that it was the leading mobile and entertainment platform in the country. But the Cebu Carnival celebration has shown me that the brand is so much more than that. As an entertainer, I'm very honored to be part of the Bingo Plus story and spread, of course, fun, entertainment, and to make people happy, smile, and mawala muna yung mga problema nila sa buhay for a while. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang gustong malungkot ang life, di ba? We all want to be happy and entertained. Pero, more than just being entertainers, both Bingo Plus and I are passionate about helping the community. Through the Bingo Plus Foundation, we are able to share the same beliefs and advocacies that emphasize creating a better Philippines. Kaya naman, it really is wonderful to be able to represent a brand like Bingo Plus, and I'm more than excited to be working with them. And again, Bingo Plus, thank you for the trust and thank you for making me part of your family. This is such a big moment for me. Og sa Cebu, daghang salamat og maayong gabi ninyong tanan unta nalipay mo na nag-perform ko sa inyong atubangan. Og sa tanan nagtan-aw karon, maayong gabi and cheers and mabuhay and congratulations Bingo Plus. More years to come.